Hello guys, I am Darshan from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and I am here to give a small presentation about nanomaterials. Course code BCHEE202 Section Infinity. Nanomaterials. Introduction. A nanomaterials refers to a material with at least one of its dimension in nanoscale. Size of nanomaterials varies from a nanometer to 100 nanometers. A nanometer is 1 millionth of a meter, that is 10 to 9 meter. A nanometer is approximately the length equivalent to 10 hydrogen or 5 silicon atoms aligned in a line. Nanotechnology has become an interdisciplinary science involving chemistry, physics, material science, biology, and medicine. Nanotechnology is the study of all the phenomena and process involved in the synthesis, properties, and applications of nanostructures and nanomaterials. Any nanomaterials of nano size with its properties, sensitivity different from its bulk are considered as nanomaterials. Every nanomaterials has their dimensions, structure of nano size. They are classified into 0, 1 and 2 dimensional materials. Nanoparticles, nanoclusters and nanocrystals are called 0 dimension. Nanowires, nanotubes are 1 dimensional and nanofilms are 2 dimensional. Size dependent properties. Surface area. Many physical and chemical properties of a material depend on its surface properties. If a bulk material is subdivided into individual nanomaterials, the total volume remains the same, but the collectivity surface area in greatly increased. Example, the collectivity surface area of cube is 6 meter square. If this cube is progressively cut into smaller and smaller cubes, the surface area will increase to 6000 kilometer square. Thus, surface area is enormously increased on moving from bulk to nanoscale. Properties like catalytic activities, gas absorption, and chemical reactivity depends on the surface area. Therefore, nanomaterials can show surface-related properties that are not observed in bulk. For example, gold nanoparticles is purple color. Gold nanoparticle is red color. Less than 20 nanometer is purple. Range between 10 to 20 nanometer is red. Catalytic properties. The catalytic properties of material depends on particle size. If the size of the particles reduces from bulk to nanoscale, surface area increases. That leads to very high catalytic activity of the same material. Example, bulk gold in catalytical inactive, but gold nanoparticles are catalytically very active for selective redox reaction. Conducting properties. Nanomaterial shows different conducting properties like electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, photoactivity, etc. Electrical conductivity. The electrical bands in bulk material are continuous due to overlapping of orbitals of billions of atoms, but in nanoparticles, very few atoms or molecules are present, so the electric bonds became separate and the separation between different electric state varies with the size of nanomaterials. In some metals which are good conductor in bulk because semiconductors and insulators are their size in decreasing to nano levels. Thermal conductivity. As the size of the material decreases to nanoscale, their melting point decreases because surface atoms are in contact with only few atoms in nanomaterials and require lesser energy to overcome intermolecular force. Example 3 nanometer CDSE nanocrystal melts at 700 Kelvin compared to bulk CDSE at 1678 Kelvin. Synthesis of nanoparticles. There are many techniques available to synthesize nanoparticles, which can be generally grouped as top-down and bottom-up approaches. In top-down approaches, bigger materials are broken down into small nano-sized materials by means of various physical methods. But these appro- approaches has limitation, like these methods requires expensive operative. These methods causes electrographic damage and introduce surface defect, internal stress in resulting nanomaterials. In bottom-up approaches, designed nanomaterials are built from the bottom by orderly assembled of growth species. This approach has advantages like the method are simple, versatile, and economically viable. viable. Method provided better control over chemical composition, size, microstructure, and aspect ratio of nanomaterials. Nanomaterials with less defect and high purity were synthesized. Thank you.